You may be surprised to know what you think is appropriate to use it on your face, but just are not. Today, I'm going to reveal you those items and help you to help your face stay far, far, far away from it. Hi there, my name is Bhavya and I'm taking you all on an aircraft ride today to help you to make you aware of the airports where landing is very risky for your skin's health. So folks, fasten your seatbelts and let's take off. First airport where we should not land is body lotion. Yes folks, please do not apply body lotion on your face. The reason is this. Let me show you how. Imagine this is the outermost layer of our face. See friends, this layer is very thin and it's very delicate. And when you compare it with the outermost layer of the body, see, this is thick. And you know friends, most of the body lotions are formulated for thicker skin. I know some of the people out there must be saying, but body lotions are working fine on my face. I must say you are lucky, but trust me friends, in the long run, your skin will start facing problems like irritations, breakouts. And these lotions contains ingredients that could be very heavy to your facial skin. Next airport where landing is risky is baking soda. The trend of using baking soda as a skin ingredient, especially as a facial exfoliant, is becoming very popular in recent times. However, there are concerns about its safety. Allow me to make you understand with a simple depiction. This is the pH scale. Acidic, basic and neutral. 0, 14, the neutral is 7. You know friends, our skin's pH is somewhere between 4 or 5. This is the range for our skin's pH. And we are talking about baking soda. You know, baking soda is highly alkaline. Its pH value is 9. So, you know, there is a reason why our skin's pH is around 4 to 5. This makes unfavorable conditions for some of the bacteria to grow on it. And when we use baking soda, when our skin's pH shifts from acidic to basic, then this creates an imbalance and it also creates favorable conditions for bacteria to grow. And these also leads to other skin problems like allergic reactions. So it's better to avoid using baking soda for your face. Moving on to our next airport, that is bar soaps. Yes friends, bar soaps. Never put bar soaps on your face. I know friends how convenient it is to apply bar soaps on your face while you are bathing, but that's not a good practice. You should not put bar soaps on your face for 3 main reasons. Number 1, bar soaps often contain harsh ingredients that strip natural oils from your face that leads to dryness and tightness of the skin. Number 2, bar soap contains pore clogging ingredients that leads to acne breakouts. And the last reason is because it also imbalances the pH of our skin, because most of the bar soaps are alkaline in nature. Next risky airport to land is vinegar. Vinegar can be too harsh on your skin and can cause chemical burns and irritations. You know friends, frequent use of vinegar can cause sensitivity over time. The next airport is toner. Most of the toners are loaded with alcohol. Can you imagine friends rubbing alcohol on your face? You know it triggers our skin to produce more oil as a compensatory mechanism to replenish the lost moisture. Next dangerous airport to land is petroleum jelly. Applying petroleum jelly to the face creates a suffocating effect. It inhibits the skin's ability to breathe and regulate moisture. So friends, using petroleum jelly on your face is a big no. Next airport is toothpaste. Certain toothpaste formulations may contain abrasive ingredients in order to pluck out the stuck items in your teeth. And when you apply the same for your skin or pimples, it has some serious negative consequences. You know friends, when you are putting toothpaste on your pimples or skin, it can cause discoloration and staining of your skin, particularly if left on for extended period. So just stay away from application of toothpaste on your face. Now coming on our final destination, that is putting your lipstick as blush on your face. Lipstick formulations are primarily designed to put it on your lips, which have different skin characteristics compared to the cheeks. Lipsticks may contain wax, oils, pigments, and preservatives, which are safe to be applied on our lips, but not suitable for our cheeks. These ingredients can potentially lead to pore cloggings, skin irritations, and sometimes allergic reactions can also occur. Friends, if you want DIY solutions to all those items which I have revealed today, then you just have to do a thing. Just go on posting in my comment section, yes. And I'm promising you, if I get 30 yes in my comments, then I will be making a video with the DIY solutions to each of the things which I mentioned today. So these were the items we have to avoid putting on our face. So friends, I hope you find this video helpful. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe. And if you are already there, then please like, share and comment. On this note, I am signing off. I hope you will all take very good care of yourselves. Keep watching my videos and stay radiant.